Hello, lovely people. How you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Good to have you here. If today is your first time, do well to subscribe, okay? Set the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a video. Right? Okay, so today's video I'm going to be mixing a multi-purpose liquid soap. Okay, multi-purpose liquid soap. You can use it to wash your clothes, wash your plate, clean the floor, wash your car. Yet, so I'm going to be sharing with you guys the way I'll be making this multi-purpose liquid. Okay, stick to the end. Make sure you watch to the end, and don't forget to like this video. Also share, subscribe. Also, let's go. So this is the color of the soap, color of the liquid. So this is the perfume. Okay, this is the oil. This is almond oil. You can use olive oil, you can use carrot oil, or any oil, but it's important to add oil. It depends. This is the color. It depends on any color you want. If you ask them or tell them the color you want, or they might ask you the color you want to choose. Okay, so this is the sulfonic. Okay, this is the Texaphone. Okay, I'm going to mix this sulfonic and Texaphone together, and I will stir it for it not to form seed before I'll add my 1 liter of water on it. Yes. This is the sodium ash. Sodium ash. When they add it for you, they will label it sodium ash. I'm going to mix it with water also. So this is the STPP. STPP. Yes. Okay, this is the SIS. Okay. Yeah, so this is the water. 10 liter of water I'm going to use. Okay, this is okay. Name is labeled here. Nitrosol. This is nitrosol rather. Yeah. And that is it. These are the things I need. So I'm going to be mixing them one after the other, starting with the nitrosol. I'm going to add the nitrosol inside this 10 liter of water. All right, and after that, the next one will follow suit. Keep watching, okay? You have to stir this properly. You need to bring out a particular stick for it. Okay, stir it properly so that it wouldn't turn seed. Okay. Okay, done with this one. All right, I'm going to add the sulfonic. This Texaphone and sulfonic together. Have to pour it and mix it so that it won't form seed. Okay. After adding this, you need to turn it so that it will not form seed. That's it. Anything you add, you turn it very well. And after that, I'll be pouring 1 liter of water, and I'll stir it well so that okay. After this, I'm going to add it here. At any point you pour anything, make sure you stir it very well. And the next one is soda ash. So I'm going to mix this one using the water. After this, so until it dissolves. Stir it very well and make sure it has dissolved before we pour it in the other bucket. And after that, we'll add it to this. Okay, and stir. It's already formed. Oh, so people, should I say, mixing this liquid soap gone wrong? Anyways, as you can see, as I was turning the soap, the thing started, overflowing and pouring on the floor, right? So what I did was to get another bucket, and I had to split it into two because I still had other ones to mix. And after doing that, I had to use the same method to mix the STPP and SIS reagent. And after doing that, I had to pour it in the main buckets. After doing that, I had to stir. Remember, I said in every one you mix, you have to stir it well. The essence of stirring it is for it not to form seed. You have to stir it very well. Okay. After which, I had to add the color, okay, and the perfume and oil. For me, I use almond oil. You can use carrot oil, like I said earlier. You can use olive oil, okay, you can use coconut oil. The essence of that is when you use it to wash any colored clothes, it will help it to stick because there are some colored clothes that brings out color when you put them inside water, and there are some liquid soaps that would wash off your color clothes and make it fade so fast. But the essence of this oil to help it will help it not to make your clothes color fade quickly, and it will also help your clothes color to remain the way it is. That's the essence of that oil. And for some people that also react to some of this liquid soap, maybe your hands will start peeling and all that. The oil would also make that not to happen. Okay, so here is my liquid soap. All right, as you can see, it's in two buckets. This is 10 liter, this is 10 liter, which is 20 liter in total, right? So I poured out the ones we'll be using for plates, washing of clothes, cleaning the floor, and washing the car also. And the remaining ones in the bucket, I'm going to store it in a place that my kids will not get to it. It's important to store this thing far from children. They don't need to see it. Including this one here. I'm also going to store it where they will not see it. Yes. So don't forget to like this video, okay? Feel free to share this video, alright? And try this recipe out. If you really want to mix this yourself, you can go to any chemical shop and tell them you want to mix liquid soap. For me, mine is liquid soap for 20 liter. I used 20 liters to mix my soap. So you can as well meet them, tell them you want a 10 liter liquid soap or 20 liter or 30 liter, whichever one. They will definitely do the measurements and give to you. And then also follow this recipe. If you have any questions, feel free to drop comments at the comment section and I will definitely answer. All right. So see you guys in my next video and have an amazing time. Bye.